Y'all, it's that time of the season. It's game time, and I can't think of anything better than a good old chicken wing, y'all. Hey, today I'm going to show you how I do chicken wings on the Blackstone Griddle. It's going to be some good groceries, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. That's some good groceries. So we got some chicken wings. These are just fresh chicken wings that I got from the grocery store. They are already cut and all. I don't have to do any of that kind of business. We got to get these dudes seasoned up. And what are we going to season them with? Well, I'm glad you asked. So we're going to add a little bit of oil. This is avocado olive oil blend. We're going to do some salt. And we're going to do some pepper. We're going to do a little garlic powder. We're going to do a little onion powder. We're going to do a little bit of smoked paprika. And we're going to add a little bit of cornstarch. And what cornstarch does is it helps get that exterior nice and crispy. Now, we're just going to get at these dudes, okay? Mix these all around. As you can see, that cornstarch is starting to work. It's going to be kind of like fried chicken, if you will. I got a question for you, Griddle Nation. You like drums or the flappers? Let me know in the comments below. I'll tell you what I am later on. I'm going to keep the suspense going. We're going to set these to the side, let that cornstarch work its magic. Gonna let the griddle warm up just a little bit more. After that, we got 2 dressings that we're gonna make, and it's gonna be some good groceries. Griddle top's ready. We're at about a 375 degrees. You don't want it really hot, and you don't want it really cold either, because wings do take a little bit of time. And we're just gonna put these down, especially the flappers, try to get it on a nice, even surface. Y'all, you smell that? Oh yeah, you can't, obviously. Man, it smells good. That smoked paprika really shines through. I like using the smoked paprika because, well, it gets a little bit of smoky element. A lot of people will say, don't do chicken wings on the Blackstone. You know what? Those are naysayers. Let's not do that. Don't be a naysayer, Nancy, all right? Cook your chicken wings on your Blackstone griddle. You will love it. But hey, we need to get a cover on these. I do like to use my big old cover here. This helps create a convection over the chicken wings, helps get them to temperature a lot quicker. We're gonna go over here, we're gonna make our 2 dressings. That's right, 2 dressings. First dressing of choice, ranch dressing, that good ranch. We're gonna start off with 1 cup of mayonnaise, good mayonnaise, 1 cup of buttermilk, and a package of this Hidden Valley Ranch buttermilk packet. Stir this really well using a whisk. You can use whatever you want. You can use your finger if you want. Mix it really well. After you're done, go put this in the fridge, and that's it, y'all. Dressing number 2, we're gonna do a blue cheese dressing because I like both. I'm gonna start off with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, then a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Next, we're gonna add a little dash of this Wash Your Sister sauce. And go ahead and give that a nice mix. I'm gonna put about a 1/4 cup of blue cheese into this. Mix that really well. If it's thick, I suggest you can add lemon juice. In this case, I'm using buttermilk. Give that a good mix, and now we're gonna add just a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's good to go. Chicken wings been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see where they're at. Boy, don't they look good. Now, I didn't put any oil down onto this because chicken wing skin, it has oil, so no need to put more. But look at that. That has, can you hear that? That's a crispy. We're gonna flip all of these over, then we're gonna put the dome back on, cook those for another 2 to 3 minutes. While that's going, we're gonna make our sauce. Now, this is gonna be a pretty easy sauce. What I like to use is, this is hometown stuff for me, Texas Pete. Just use whatever favorite sauce you like. But I'm gonna use this, but I'm also gonna church it up a little bit, all right? And I like a little sweet with it. And I mean, this has got like a tang. It's got a little bit of a bite to it. I like to kind of tame it down just a little bit with a little bit of honey. And we're just gonna take just a little bit more garlic, put it right there. Come in with a fork, mix that really well, and we're just gonna let it kind of sit idle here, let it stay warm. Also, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of butter to this. That butter helps, this helps adhere, it helps just kind of coat it. All right, it's been another 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna give these chicken wings a flip. Just to make sure, we wanna tempt these chicken wings, just to make sure they're done. And they're temping at, looks like about 170 degrees. So that's perfect, but not quite what we're looking for. This is just a guide. So now we're gonna push these to the side, and we're gonna scrape some of this fat that's rendered off of the chicken. And we're gonna get that out of the way. Then after that, we're gonna take and crank up the middle 2 burners. And if you got more chicken wings, you just crank up more burners. And what this will do will help really, really crispen up our chicken wings. And we're just gonna cook these through. You can't really overcook these. Actually, I really like my chicken wings about 185 degrees plus. Our sauce over here, it's just getting nice and happy. It's gonna make a nice wing. Y'all, these chicken wings, they are looking fantastic. We know they're done. We're just on here crisping them up now. Let's put these into a big bowl, get them ready for their wing sauce bath. I'd like a wing sauce bath myself. All right, we got our wings. Now we're gonna douse this with our sauce. Ooh. It's reduced a little bit because we put it on the griddle top. It's just been kind of laying in there. Look at that. Man, if y'all can smell this. We got our plate right here. A little bit of a little celery, a little carrot. Boy, I like them too. And we're gonna serve these up. Put a few drums right there. Drums on one side, flappers on the other side. Guys, now it's time to try these wings. I cannot wait. Which one do I go with first? Do I go blue cheese or ranch? Let's do ranch. And we're gonna do a drum. Oh man, that was a good wing right there. The crispy exterior. It got a little soft. When we put sauce on it, it's gonna soften up a little bit. But y'all, it's not that soggy, and it's dang good. We're gonna do this other side with a little bit of this blue cheese. See which one I like better. Y'all, that blue cheese is on point. I'm gonna tell you that right now. This wing, so flavorful. That smoked paprika really comes through. Got a little bit of smokiness. The sauce that we made, nice glaze. So I know you all been on your seats. Which one do you like, Hussey? You like the flappers or the drums? I like the flappers. Flappers are my favorite, but I won't shake a stick at either one. I'll eat either one, so they're both good. Well, y'all, hey, fix this for your next little get-together for the game, a little tailgate. I guarantee your people will think you're some kind of griddle pimp. Hey, y'all head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.